In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add your name on iPhone lock screen. First, you'll need to get this app AnyText. For that, launch your app store, search for the app. After app appears, click on it and install it. Then launch it. You will be directed to this page. Now what you have to do is click on any of the widget option and then type in the text that you want to add to your lock screen. Once you are done, you can head back. Now close this and launch your lock screen. Scroll down from the left of your screen. Now press and hold on anywhere on the lock screen. Click on the option Customize. Now you will get this option Add Widgets. Click on it. Different app options will appear. Navigate to the app AnyText. Now here you're gonna find different widget option. Select the one that you have just created. Select the widget where you have added the text. Just click on it and it will be added to your lock screen. So this way you can easily add your name on iPhone lock screen. Now you can click on Done and update it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.